Welcome to this step-by-step guide. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to convert a DVD to an MP4 file using VLC Media Player in 2025. Whether you're backing up old discs, saving videos to your computer, or looking for a more convenient digital format, this method is quick, free, and easy to follow. Let's jump right in. First, insert the DVD you want to convert into your computer's DVD drive. Once the DVD is loaded, open your VLC Media Player. After opening, click the Media and the drop-down, click the Convert/Save. In here, click the Disk option. In here, click the Convert/Save button. And lastly, change the profile into MP4 and click Start. And that's it. You now know how to convert any DVD to MP4 using VLC Media Player with the updated 2025 process. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more tutorials to make your media experience smoother. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.